The app Flipboard was launched in 2010 by Evan Doll and Mike McHugh. The duo set out to create an app that merged the simplicity and feel of magazine with the accessibility and collaboration that technology provides. The app integrates new foreign media outlets from around the world and presents it in a magazine format.
This is my iPad, and this is my Flipboard. Your Flipboard is your personal magazine. It always has content you care about, and it knows what you care about because it knows who your friends are. This is all stuff my Twitter friends are linking to, articles and images they think I should see. Your Flipboard connects to your social networks and gathers all the good stuff your friends are sharing. Any type of content your friends can share, articles, images, photo albums, and video, they all come to you. And you can always handpick from Flipboard's own collections, from some of the most interesting sources on the web. I know I can always find something good in Flip Tech, for instance. And your Flipboard updates when your friends do, so you're never at a loss for something to look at. And because your Flipboard is already connected to your social networks, you can share and reply from right there within the app. While your friends do the work of sharing the good stuff, your Flipboard collects it all in one incredible place. So you'll always have more good stuff waiting next time you open it. It's your magazine. It's your Flipboard. The stuff you care about all in one place.
According to the owners of this application, Flipboard was invented during a brainstorming session, and now Twitter wants to own it by $1 billion. One of the reasons that make Flipboard popular is the magazine format. Flipboard is popular because it gets you. It understands that users value an experience with a premium feel, but which is minimal enough to avoid any semblance of craft or crumb. It's irresponsible and light. It's free. On a high pixel density display, it's stunning beautiful. Flipboard delivers all this, and the stock applications that serve the same functions don't. Thanks to the format that Flipboard uses in a way of printed magazine, the ads that they include in his content, it's like a magazine. So it appears full-page ads when you swipe around, and you can tap on it and go to the developer's page and expand the content.
So as we said before, Flipboard is a mixture between social media, magazine app, and mobile news app. This refers us to think that we cannot think of Flipboard without internet, and internet is one of the important causes of globalization. Anyone with access to internet can download Flipboard and be informed on international news. Interesting tendencies on different chosen topics like photography, sports, literature, technoscience, politics, entertainment, gastronomy, fashion, etc. Also, it can be found in more than 20 languages. This is also an important element for thinking Flipboard as an unthinkable app without globalization. It is not only accessible for anyone with internet, but it is understandable for many countries and cultures. As we know, Flipboard is not a printed source. This led us to think that technology is a fundamental aspect for the app. Without a mobile device or computer, it's impossible to access to it. With technology development, the app would have to evolve, not to be an old app. In other words, you can go in autobus to the university from your house in Colombia, zapping on Flipboard thanks to your mobile device and internet. Or you can be in your mansion house in Italy, shopping on it as the same way you would do in your palace in Moscow, and understand it on all the cases thanks to the languages it offers, technology and internet. So an interesting question is to think about how have changes in socio-cultural habits contributed to the popularity of this company, or how has this company contributed to changes in the culture of the society. Very interesting. So we can say that they both complement each other. Flipboard can complement the society, and society can complement Flipboard, because nowadays the people is searching more and more information on the web, and on Flipboard they can search for information that they don't have. So they are contributing to the development and popularity of this app. And the same way the society does shopping in the internet, that necessity or want of search things on the internet makes that they spend more time on their mobile devices. They spend more time searching in the internet, talking with friends and all that. So that makes that the same way of searching develops. So we can conclude that society contributes to the popularity of the app, and the app contributes to the social cultural habits. How does regulation works on Flipboard? Well, basically, regulation works on Flipboard if you log in to the app through your email and password, like directly to Flipboard, Flipboard would be able to have your information, like your name, your address, and your picture of your profile. But if you log in through social media like Facebook or Twitter, they can have your information that you have on that social media. For example, if you log in with Facebook, they can have your contact list, they can have all your photos, they can have your name, your messages, like all the stuff you publish there. And the same way on Twitter,